It's easy to think that one wood products manufacturing company is just like another, that a sheet of OSB is just a sheet of OSB, or one piece of plywood is just like the other. Not so. Here at RoyOMartin, we are more than the products we make. We are a company built on people, partnerships, and principle. A company that has grown from deep roots over a century of history to become an industry leader in engineered wood products. We are builders of opportunity. We don't just produce materials for homes, businesses, and communities. We help create a future that is stronger, safer, and more sustainable. We are RoyOMartin, and together we are building tomorrow. So what do? We manage the renewable resources of timberland on our properties and others. And we manufacture high-quality wood products, plywood, OSB, and solid wood timbers, used to build homes, schools, hospitals, and workplaces across the country. Headquartered in Alexandria, Louisiana, RoyOMartin operates 3 state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities. RoyOMartin Plywood and Timbers in Chopin, Louisiana, RoyOMartin OSB in Oakdale, Louisiana, and Corrigan OSB LLC in East Texas, which after its recent expansion, is now the largest oriented strand board production facility in North America. It is strategically located to serve the fast-growing southwest region of the country. But our work starts long before a single board is produced, because we grow the trees that become our products. We are one of the largest private landowners in the United States, responsibly managing over 550,000 acres of Sustainable Forestry Initiative and Forest Stewardship Council certified timberland. Our extensive experience in forestry enables us to provide forest management services to private forest landowners. Our land isn't just about harvesting timber, it's about long-term sustainability. We invest in reforestation, conservation, and environmental stewardship to ensure that our forests continue to thrive for generations to come. And we are more than a manufacturer. We are a partner in building the homes, businesses, and communities of tomorrow. We didn't get here overnight. Our story begins in 1923, when RoyOMartin Sr. saw more than just trees in the forests of Louisiana. He saw opportunity. On November 10, 1923, he made a bold investment, purchasing his first sawmill in Alexandria, Louisiana. It was the beginning of something bigger than just a business. It was the start of a legacy built on hard work, family values, and smart business decisions. Roy Sr. knew that success wasn't just about cutting timber. It was about sustaining it for future generations. By the time his sons got involved in the business, the company had already weathered the Great Depression and a world war. Each leader brought his own strengths to keep RoyOMartin thriving. For many years, Norman Martin managed the company's forestry division, ensuring that responsible land stewardship remained a core principle of the business. In 1962, Roy Jr. became the next company president and led with a sense of responsibility and compassion, guiding the company through years of steady growth. Then in 1978, eldest son Ellis stepped into the top leadership role after managing the sawmill in Castor, Louisiana for many years. His commitment to efficient mill operations and vision for modernization brought the company into OSB manufacturing and a season of tremendous growth. In the early 90s, the third generation of Martins, Jonathan and Roy III, stepped into leadership and quickly made their mark by transforming the company from a family-owned and family-operated organization to one that is family-owned but professionally managed. They established the Strategic Action Leadership Team, comprised of executive leaders from each business unit and major department. Jonathan and Roy's executive mindset and strong organizational skills made a formidable team. In 1996, they brought us into the plywood business and solidified RoyOMartin's reputation for quality and reliability. In 2007, they built a new OSB mill in Oakdale, Louisiana. Then, when they recognized the emerging Southwest markets, they built another state-of-the-art OSB manufacturing facility in Corrigan, Texas in 2018. After Jonathan's untimely passing in 2019, the company continued to evolve. Roy III blends business acumen with a deep compassion for people. He oversaw the expansion of our Corrigan mill as it became the largest OSB manufacturing facility in North America in 2024. His leadership has been instrumental in reorganizing the company for future success. ensuring that RoyOMartin remains strong for generations to come. One thing has remained steadfast throughout every era of leadership: being a good steward and giving back to the communities in which we operate. Martin family members continue to lead areas of the company. We now have up to 5 generations of Martins contributing to our success. So, from a small family-run business to an industry leader, our journey has always been about more than just making wood products. It's about building a legacy, embracing change, and staying true to the values that got us here. And as we enter the next century, we're not just looking back at where we came from, we're looking ahead to where we're going. Because at RoyOMartin, the best stories aren't just told, they're built. At RoyOMartin, we believe that excellence isn't just a goal, it's a standard. And that standard is built on a foundation of safety, quality, and our people. Safety is in our DNA. From the moment an employee steps onto one of our sites, they become part of a culture of safety that puts people first. We believe every incident is preventable. But beyond safety, we hold ourselves to a set of values that guide everything we do. We call them RICHES. Respect. We treat people with dignity. Integrity. We keep our promises. Commitment. We follow through no matter what. Honesty. We tell the truth. Excellence. We never settle for less than our best. Stewardship. We care for what is entrusted to us. We don't just say we believe in these values, we live them every day. Because we believe that a company's success isn't measured only by what it produces, but by the impact it leaves behind. That's why we show up for our communities. Not just as a company, but as neighbors, mentors, volunteers, and partners in progress. The Martin family tradition of supporting the people and places that help us continues. We invest in growing our people through award-winning and nationally recognized career development programs. Our Pay for Knowledge and Skills program rewards employees for learning and applying new skills. Our master production and multi-craft tracks build expert operators and top-tier maintenance talent. Through RoyOMartin University and leadership programs, we're building the next generation of confident, capable leaders. Our summer internship program invites the next generation to learn, lead, and grow by working alongside professionals who live out our values every day. We created Women in Manufacturing to help more women discover the opportunities waiting in our field. Girls Can Too is our mentoring program that helps high school girls see what's possible beyond the glass ceiling. Our Woodworks program prepares high school graduates for real careers in wood products and manufacturing. And Storytime with Otis introduces young children to the world of wood products in a fun, engaging way. When we invest in people, we invest in the future. That's why we provide industry-leading benefits for our team members, including healthcare, paid time off, retirement, profit sharing, a wellness program, flexible spending accounts, transportation assistance, chaplaincy services, and scholarship opportunities. One of our most innovative benefits is Legacy Health and Wellness, our medical clinic, where every team member is eligible for preventive care, as well as treatment for chronic health conditions. And Legacy Pharmacy provides cost-saving prescription services. Why do we do all this? Because people matter. We believe in creating opportunity for employees, for families, and for the communities we call home. We believe in investing in education and training, ensuring that the next generation has the tools they need to succeed. We believe in giving back, supporting local schools, charities, and initiatives that strengthen the places where we live and work. And most of all, we believe in each other, in the power of teamwork, in the strength of shared goals, and in the idea that when we work together, we build something greater than ourselves. That's what building tomorrow together means. It's not just a theme, it's the way we do business. For over 100 years, RoyOMartin has stood for more than just wood products. We have stood for quality, innovation, and integrity, for a commitment to people and progress. And as we move forward, that commitment remains. The future is being built, every day, in every product, in every person who walks through our doors. And at RoyOMartin, we're ready for what's next. We're not just making wood products, we're building tomorrow together.